So this is where I'm at with my desk build. We got the stain and polyurethane on. That went well. Like any good case, it's gonna come with some hardware. We got drive cages installed, a fan controller installed. So I reused that AMD CPU cooler because it's actually pretty cool. Even though I don't have the full-on RGB version, it still looks nice. So I'm using that as like a front intake turbine for the left air chamber, which is really just hard drives and fan controlled, but still deserves air, and is going to also funnel into the power supply air. Put some handles on. Broke part of the power button, got to fix that. Got these nice little 60mm exhaust fans. I'm going to put one more on after the motherboard's in. Over here we got thermal take rings in blue, and our USB 2.0 and audio header, and below that is a 3.0 header. So yeah, we've got a regular front header panel with everything you would need, 2 and 2, along with audio, and I did like kind of like a rustic look on the front, make it battle worn, and it's pretty much ready to build in. Has to be installed in the desk. I kind of want to do the lighting in the desk, and then I'm going to be more or less ready to go. There you go, part 2. Thanks for watching.